Welcome to my channel in the class 12 series 26 inverse trigonometric functions 10. The first sum is sin inverse of 8 by 70 plus sin inverse of 3 by 5 is equal to sin inverse of 77 by 36. Prove this. So let us take let alpha is equal to sin inverse of 8 by 70. That is sin alpha is equal to 8 by 70. Similarly, beta is equal to sin inverse of 3 by 5. So sin beta is equal to 3 by 5. Now find since both are positive, it is in quadrant 1. Now find cos alpha, cos beta. We know cos alpha is equal to cos alpha is equal to 1 minus sin squared alpha. So substituting we have 1 minus 8 by 70 whole square is equal to square root of 1 minus 64 by 289 is equal to square root of 225 by 289 is equal to 15 by 70. Cos beta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square beta is equal to square root of 1 minus 3 by 5 whole square is equal to square root of 1 minus 9 by 25 is equal to square root of 16 by 25 is equal to 4 by 5. Now find sin alpha plus beta is equal to sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. We substitute the values. Sin alpha is equal to 8 by 70 into cos beta. Cos beta is equal to 4 by 5 plus cos alpha is equal to 15 by 70 plus into sin beta is equal to 3 by 5. If you simplify this, is equal to 32 by 85 plus 45 by 85 is equal to 77 by 85. Now find cos alpha plus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. That can be written as cos alpha is equal to 15 by 70 into cos beta is equal to 4 by 5 minus sin alpha is equal to 8 by 70 into sin beta is equal to 3 by 5. So which is equal to 85 is common in the denominator. 85 here it becomes 60, here it becomes 24. Minus 24 is equal to 36 by 85. We know that tan of alpha plus beta is equal to sin alpha plus beta by cos alpha plus beta is equal to sin alpha plus beta is 77 by 85 divided by 36 by 85 85 cancels, it becomes 77 by 36. So that is what we got here. Okay. Now we have to find whether this is in the range, since both cos alpha, since cos alpha plus beta is greater than 0 and theta alpha plus beta is in the range 0 to pi. Then we can take tan inverse of alpha plus beta. That is, if we take the find the alpha plus beta from this, alpha beta is equal to tan inverse of 77 by 36. But we know that alpha is equal to sine inverse of 8 by 70. Beta is equal to sine inverse of 3 by 5. So it is equal to tan inverse of 77 by 36. Hence proof. Next sum is we have to prove that cos inverse of 4 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 30 is equal to cos inverse of 33 by 65. Prove this. Alpha is equal to cos inverse of 4 by 5. That is, cos alpha is equal to 4 by 5. Beta is equal to cos inverse of 12 by 30. That is, cos beta is equal to 12 by 30. Find sin alpha, sin beta. Okay, so we know that sin alpha is equal to square root of 1 minus cos squared alpha is equal to square root of 1 minus 4 by square is equal to square root of 1 minus 16 by 25 is equal to square root of 9 by 25 is equal to 3 by 5. Sin beta is equal to square root of 1 minus cos squared beta is equal to square root of 1 minus 12 by 30 whole square is equal to square root of 1 minus 144 by 169 is equal to square root of 25 by 169 is equal to 5 by 30. Now find cos of alpha plus beta is equal to cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta. Substituting, we have cos alpha is equal to 4 by 5 into cos beta is equal to 12 by 30 minus sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5 into sin beta is equal to 5 by 30 is equal to 48. Denominator is 65. Here it will come as 48. Here it will come as 15. 48 minus 15 is equal to 33 by 65. Now we have to prove alpha plus beta is in quadrant 1 so that inverse is You know that cos 45 degree is equal to 0.7071. There is no, we can take it from the table. But if we find cos alpha plus beta, and the cos alpha is 4 by 5, which is 0.8. It is less than 45. So alpha is less than 45 degrees. Similarly, beta is 12 by 13 is equal to, it will come to around 928. So beta is also less than 45 degrees, so that alpha plus beta is less than 90 degrees. So in quadrant 1, so alpha plus beta is in quadrant 1. So then we can take the inverse, that is alpha plus beta is equal to cos inverse of 33 by 65. You also know alpha is cos inverse of 4 by 5. Beta is equal to cos inverse of 12 by 30. Is equal to cos inverse of 33 by 65. Thank you very much. Hope you have understood the solution to the problem. If you put it in the comment box, we'll come up with the doubt clearing video. In the next series, we'll continue with the further sums in the inverse trigonometric functions. Thank you.